In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on your Wix site. Whether you're launching a new online store or updating an existing one, changing the currency is a fundamental step in customizing your e-commerce settings. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring your customers can shop in their preferred currency first. Open up Google Chrome or your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in wix.com and press enter. Once you're on the Wix homepage, you'll see the option to log in at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on this login button. If you're already logged in, it will automatically take you to your dashboard. If not, you may choose to log in using your preferred method. For ease and security, you can click on continue with Google. Follow any additional prompts from Google to authorize access to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the button that says Design Site. This will redirect you to the editor where you can manage various elements of your site. Next, on the top menu of the editor, you'll find Settings. Go ahead and click on that. It's the hub where you can control global settings for your site, ensuring it's tailored to your business needs. After navigating to Settings, you'll need to go to Business Info. This section allows you to input and adjust all kinds of critical information about your business that your customers may see. Following that, look for the option labeled Getting Paid. Click this link to access the financial settings of your site. This section determines how transactions are processed, which is crucial for an online store. Now you're ready to change the currency. In the Getting Paid section, you'll find an option where you can type the currency you'd like to use. Simply type in the currency code such as USD for United States dollar, EUR for euro, and so on. Depending on your chosen currency, options may auto-suggest or allow for direct entry. After typing in your desired currency, your site will automatically update the currency settings. This ensures that your product listings and checkout process will reflect the appropriate currency for your customers. And there you have it. Your Wix site is now displaying the new currency, making it easier for your customers to understand pricing. This change can enhance the user experience significantly, especially if your target audience spans multiple countries. Remember to review your settings periodically to ensure everything remains up to date. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Stay tuned and keep your business growing.